Hi guys, this is Eva.
And Gergely.
In this screencast, we will introduce the Hoplax bookmarking system. In short, it is a tool for power users to experience the web and manage their bookmarks efficiently without using their mouse.
I would like to discuss 8 current problems with bookmarks. First of all, bookmarks are stored in binary in the browser, which makes it inaccessible for standard tools like VI, Emacs, grep or sed. The only way is to use the browser's built-in bookmark manager. Secondly, when bookmarks are exported, the output format is either a multi-kilobyte JSON one-liner or some old, hard-to-parse HTML without the tags. Third, a very useful web automation tool called Keyword Bookmarks is half-baked. It can't handle multiple parameters, and it doesn't have auto-completion for the parameters. We also think that the location bar search in bookmarks is not as good as it could be. You will agree once you see ours. Another issue is that the same browser profile can be opened multiple times. This is very inconvenient if your profile is on a network file system. Also, synchronization between different browsers are not very good, and actually Chrome doesn't even support tags. And even if you have synchronization, you can't have different synchronization groups, so all of your bookmarks are on all of your machines. It would be nice to have, for example, company and private bookmarks.
Our project Hoplax provides a solution to these problems. When you open Hoplax, supposedly your homepage, all of your bookmarks and keyword bookmarks are presented on one page with consistent user interface. This page and its plain text data lives on your local storage, so it's very fast and always available. Synchronization between machines can be handled as you do it for all of your other files. So let us show you how it all looks.
Note that you don't need the mouse for navigation in Hoplax. You can move around with the cursor up and down keys, make selections with Enter, and filter by typing to the input box. Majority of the entries will be conventional bookmarks. When selected, you jump to the page. For example, let's filter on the word source, and then select the result. This is the GitHub page where the Hoplax source code is hosted.
But there are more interesting bookmarks, like IMDb, the Internet Movie Database. As you can see, there is a %s in the URL, which is a place for a parameter substitution. When we select a bookmark like this, Hoplax asks for a value. If we type Mesh Auto and press Enter, we go to the URL where the place is filled with the value.
With a bit more complicated syntax, you can have more parameters. For example, Google Maps Directions uses this feature. Instead of %s, we have to use this $brace name position with format in the URL as placeholders. When we press Enter, this bookmark asks for two values.
With a bit of a code, a bookmark's parameter entry can support autocompletion. For Google Maps, we have the countries as autocompletion data. Our autocompletion is more fancy than usual. You can start the match anywhere, not just at the beginning. For example, King matches United Kingdom. The order of your words doesn't have to match the input. If you already typed in rep, for example, and would like to get to, let's say, the Dominican Republic, then a space D helps. So all of the words that you enter has to appear in the matched entry, but the order is not important.
Also, you don't have to type out the parts of an entry that are hard to type or you don't know. UNST matches the United States and Turkmenistan both because they contain the letters U and ST in this order. Naturally, the string that you've typed in is always considered a possible completion, so you can search for Hoplax on maps even though it's not a country, just a railway station.
We also have auto-completion data for JavaScript reference, and we plan to add the documentation of other popular programming languages too. And the most important example for auto-completion is the main screen itself, where you have all your bookmarks. Let us show you how you can add the new bookmark to the main list.
We open the file called userbookmarks.js in an editor and add the new bookmark for Qt documentation. The name of the bookmark is Qt documentation, go to class. The URL is
http:// doc.trolltag.com/4.7/%s.html.
Keyword is QTD. I save the file, go back to Hoplax, and reload it. And now we type QTD, and since the URL contains a %s, this is an interactive bookmark. I type QStringList as the parameter, and voila, after enter we are reading the QStringList class reference.
You don't have to add all of your existing bookmarks by hand, you can import them from Firefox or Chrome. You can read more about that at
http://github.com/hoplax/tree/binaries.
That's all. Thanks for watching.
Bye!
Bye! Thanks all. Me? That's all.
/binaries ==